हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
A is for apricot, juicy and sweet. B is for butterfly, flying with beat. C is for camel, walking in sand. D is for doll, so cute in your hand. E is for eagle, soaring high. F is for fox, clever and sly. G is for kitten, strumming a song. H is for hen, clucking all day long. I is for iron, shiny and hot. J is for joker, funny a lot. K is for kitten, soft and small. L is for ladybug, red and tall. M is for monkey, jumping in trees. N is for nurse, helping with ease. O is for onion, round and white. P is for pear, a yummy bite. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rose in her royal gown. S is for ship, sailing away. T is for turtle, slow all day. U is for unicorn with magic so bright. V is for violin, playing at night. W is for wheel, big and blue. X is for x-ray, showing bones too. Y is for yarn, soft and round. Z is for zeppelin, flying around. Sing along, come dance with me, learning letters from A to Z.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।